So today I'm going to build the game, and we're going to start with step one, which is the design process. Now, there are many ways to go about the design process, but we're going to go through the simplest way, which is take an existing game. So in this case, an old NES game called Battle City. And we're going to use that as the inspiration for the game that we're going to develop. So the first step is identify the overall game and the theme, which is just we're going to build a game around tanks shooting each other and evolve it from there. So I find it important when developing the game is to start off with the simplest prototype you can imagine, and in this case is just basically a tank moving on a screen and being able to shoot a bullet. Arguably, just moving around is probably a good first step in prototyping and just having something playable. So that we're gonna go and do that. So we're gonna be using the Godot engine for this. I'm fairly new at it, so I had to futz around a bit on the internet looking for tutorials on how to get something, but eventually I got this little bit of script going with a GD script, managed to get the Xbox controller connected, and here we go. We have a working prototype of a tank moving around the screen with the turret also controlled by one of the other joysticks, and I think that was a success, so we'll pick it up from here. So we simplified the scope of the prototype to just moving around, and I think that's a good start. We'll add shooting to it in another episode, and I think that is a good approach to developing video games, is basically just create prototypes and iterate off of that and see how it feels along the way. So that's it for this episode. Hope to see you in the next.